Welcome to Tech-Enabled Construction Management and Maintenance session part of 2023 London PropTech Show. I'm Sylvia Pavlova, the founder of PropTech Bulgaria. Such a topic is so immense that it can be the subject of a several days conference, not 10 minutes presentation. Therefore, within just 10 minutes, PropTech Bulgaria will share with you our unique expertise, which you cannot find anywhere else. All analytical data is based and derived from our massive database of European PropTech companies, which as of 1st of February 2023 amounts to 4,463 European origin PropTechs in our core database and 5,759 companies operating in Europe in our extended database. Our core database includes only PropTech companies which meet our 25 criteria to be called PropTech. The extended database includes companies which others define as PropTech, but they fail to meet our 25 criteria. Consequently, when comparing European countries, we compare apples to apples rather than apples to peaches. Furthermore, these 4,463 European origin PropTechs in our database, core database, equal 92.2% of all PropTechs originating in Europe and close to 50% of all global PropTechs as of the beginning of 2023. Hence, the data you will see now is highly representative. The topic of tech-enabled construction management and maintenance concerns the contact part of PropTech. We will use the following figure to illustrate our rationale. Let's start step by step. This figure exemplifies only processes which relate directly to the building management. As such, it misses the invest and finance component of a construction project, which can be considered the first very important starting point in construction. However, we haven't included it because it is not of equally high importance in all European countries, and maybe you will ask the question why. Our core database includes close to 300 invest and finance PropTechs across 32 European countries. Notwithstanding nearly 70% of those, the precise percentage is 69.1%, derive from only 6 European countries. These are the UK, Spain, Germany, Italy, and France, cited in descending order. It is not necessarily bad news in this case if a country does not have many such invest and finance solutions. Just the contrary. Our analytical team gathered all figures on such measures as home ownership rate, price per rent ratio, that is 11 indicative criteria in total and 50 sub-criteria extracted from official sources. What is evident is that there is a direct relation between the cost per square meter price in a certain country and homes' affordability, and consequently tax solutions which solve these problems. Evidently, in all those countries we talk about low home affordability. Hence, since invest and finance PropTechs are crucial for the construction in only 6 out of all 32 European countries, we don't enclose it in this presentation. Talking about the design part in construction, there are only 114 eco PropTechs in Europe, that is AECO PropTechs, or PropTechs which are meant to serve the architects, construction, civil engineers, and interior designers. This number of AECO PropTechs equal 16% of all contacts of European origin. Such PropTechs are highly specific and many serve the back office activities of such professionals, the design process and estimations, the collaboration and communication process among all construction design professionals involved in this phase of the construction project. There are 3 countries with the most such solutions, and these are the UK, Germany and France. But the cumulative number of such PropTechs is not large, since 23 European countries have such solutions overall. All the other 84% of ConTech or design and build PropTechs operate in the actual construction process, on-site, off-site activities, or directly related to the delivery phase. Obviously, this is a highly saturated area, with all 32 European countries having their own solutions in this market niche. Next two phases encompass all PropTech solutions which facilitate the operation stage of the building. It is mandatory to underline one point here, namely that the market and transaction processes are omitted since they don't relate to the physical building directly. Manage and operate PropTechs in Europe amount to nearly 900 companies, and all European countries have such. There is abundance of facility management, property management, tenant management, maintenance tech solutions for all major asset classes. I would like to pay special attention to the energy tech solutions. These are 272 PropTechs in Europe in this niche, and they originate from 26 European countries. The top 10 countries generate cumulatively over 77% of all energy tech PropTechs in Europe. These countries are Germany, France, Finland, Bulgaria, Sweden, the Netherlands, Switzerland, Denmark, the UK, and Poland. Though 272 energy tech solutions sound impressive and a good pool to choose from, it might not be exactly so. We have identified 19 business models, and only one of them has enough solutions to opt for. Furthermore, when we distribute them along European regions, it becomes evident with a plain eye that there are numerous business models missing in many regions. This is why we would advise you to scout for such solutions from many European countries, not only from yours or the neighboring ones. Here's the point to divert your attention to another very special PropTech niche in the management part of the building, namely the ESG PropTechs. These solutions offer digital services such as carbon calculators, 2GHG protocol, asset and portfolio, ESG parameters monitoring and reporting, investment due diligence, ESG reporting, etc. Our stats showcase that there are only 63 such solutions across Europe. There are only 7 dominating business models, and 18 European countries have such solutions of their own. However, the dominant countries are Denmark, the UK, Bulgaria, and Germany. The figure positions waste processing following the construction as it relates directly to the physical building and not necessarily to the processes of operating this building. In reality, there actually is and is supposed to be an intensive waste processing during the exploitation phase of the building. This is part of the compulsory new legislative measures in the European Union, hence we pay special attention to this phase. Waste management solutions include monitoring energy, waste, water, and reporting. This type of PropTech solutions, together with the circularity platforms, are very rare. We have numerous PropTechs for energy consumption measurement or mixed consumption management, but few offer services which involve all type of resources, measuring the consumption and preventing the loss or waste. Since we already shared data on energy tax, let us pay due attention to water management PropTech solutions. There are only 40 such solutions in Europe, which originate from 11 European countries. The countries with the most such PropTechs are Bulgaria, Finland, and the Netherlands with an equal score, and Germany. Only 4 European countries. Lastly, I'd like to say a few words about circularity PropTechs. These are extremely rare and hard to build. Most such solutions engage many stakeholders in order to achieve the impact they aim for. We observe such PropTech solutions from Germany, Denmark, Hungary, and Sweden. As you see, though Europe has vast number of PropTech solutions, close to 4,900 as of 1st of February 2023, there are niches which are very densely populated, and there are niches with quite scarce number of tech solutions. My aim was to focus your attention to the fact that PropTech types are unevenly distributed across Europe. Check also proptechbulgaria.eu and seeproptech.eu, as well as our partners platform on the European cross-border PropTech initiative, which you can find on expandinto.eu. Which is run together with API Spain, Blackprint Partners Germany, and PropTech Slovakia. In case you'd like to get more information on any European country or any PropTech niche, you're most welcome to contact me at the email running below. Talk soon. Bye.